Alright, welcome back to another episode of World History Classical Greece, Part 3, the Persian Wars. Alright, welcome to the Persian Wars again. Sorry about that. So, how did the war start? Well, it started in 490 BC, when the Greek city-states in Persia rebelled against the Persian authority. So the Persian king Darius decided to attack and invade Greece. So the Battle of the Marathon will be the first battle of the war. The Athenian general Mitilides led the Greeks against the Persian king Darius. The Greeks won with 192 losses, and the Persian losses numbered 6,400. There was an epic run made from Marathon to Athens by a soldier named Phidippides. Phidippides ran 26 miles to Athens and told them, "Rejoice, we conquer." Then he died. 10 years after their defeat at Marathon, the Persian army, led by Darius' son Xerxes, invaded Greece again in 480 BC. This time he brought Persian troops numbering around 300,000 strong. Okay. To destroy the Greeks, the Persians had to pass through the hot gates of Thermopylae. The Battle of Thermopylae was the second battle of the Persian War, and Thermopylae was essentially the gateway into Greece. So King Leonidas of Sparta and 300 of his men will stand against Persian forces numbering around 300,000. The Thessalians and other city-states sent men, so the group totaled about 4,000 strong against the Persian armies. The Spartans fought to the death. Their sacrifice allowed the Greeks to evacuate the mainland and get their troops in place for the next battle. Alright, Thermopylae is the only Persian win. The Persians burned the city of Athens to the ground, but her people were safe aboard their Athenian naval ships. A few months later, the Athenians fight the Persians at the Battle of Salamis. The Athenian navy, led by Themistocles, destroys the Persian navy, winning the battle. 150,000 Persian troops were left behind when the Persian navy was destroyed at Salamis. Those forces faced a very angry group of Spartans at the Battle of Plataea. And the Battle of Plataea was the last battle of the Persian War, where 100,000 Spartans defeated the Persian army of 150,000 men. Spartans killed them all. Right, here's another map, Persian Wars. Alright, so effect of the Persian Wars. The Greeks will become the #1 power in the Mediterranean. The power of the Persians is broken, and the Greeks enjoyed a new golden age of peace and prosperity. Alright, that's the end of that video.